In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 4-fold brochure in Canva. We'll walk through setting up the canvas, laying out your panels with guides, choosing a template, customizing your content, previewing the fold, and exporting a print-ready file. Start by opening Canva. Create a new design with a custom size. A simple starting point is 100 cm by 50 cm, which divides nicely into 4 equal panels. If you're designing for A4 or letter, you can adjust those dimensions to match your printer or print shop needs, but using a custom size gives you precise control over each panel. Think ahead about the sequence of your panel's front cover, inside sections, and back panel so your content flows logically once it's folded. Next, set up your guides. Go to File, then Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides. Then go back to File, Settings, and select Add Guides. Choose Custom, set the number of columns to 4, and set the gap to 0. Click Add Guides. You'll see your canvas neatly split into 4 equal columns, which represent your foldable panels. Keep vital text and logos a little away from those guidelines so nothing sits directly on a fold. Now search for Brochures in Canva. Browse the templates and select one that matches your style and purpose. A template gives you a head start with balanced layouts and placeholder text, and you can still change anything you like. Use Canvas tools to fill each section. Add text boxes for headlines, body copy, and calls to action. Upload your photos or choose from Canvas image and icon libraries. Keep your fonts consistent, one for headings and one for body text usually looks clean, and apply a cohesive color palette that supports your brand or theme. As you place content, think about panel order. You can temporarily label panels with small notes like front, inside, and back to stay organized, then delete those labels before export. Aim for clear hierarchy, generous spacing, and strong contrast for readability. Use the preview feature to see how your design will look when folded. Zoom in to check alignment, make sure elements line up across folds, and confirm that no important text hugs the edges. Tweak spacing, colors, and image placement until everything feels balanced and intentional. When you're happy with the design, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print for the highest quality so your brochure is crisp and ready for professional printing. Save your file, and you're done. Thanks for watching.